like it? You like the ocean? He's a little bit shivery, but he has a coat, so. Ah, look at that. He feels comfortable. Smoky at the ocean. Right, Smoky? You're a little bit shivery, huh? Let me pick you up. Oh my God, you're a scary cat. It was literally shivering, not because of his cold, because it's sunshine and everything. He has a big coat. Because he's literally scared of the ocean. I was holding him and showing him. Oh my God, that is so funny. He's just hiding. Food. Smoky never seen ocean before in his life, so he was looking at it and shivering. Not because I thought first that he's shivering because it's cold, because like in the morning. Nah, he's just literally afraid of the ocean. Here you go, Smoky. Some water, food. Hey, Smoky, you're at the ocean. You must be hungry. You're a good boy. Yes, you are. Traveling all the way from Portland to Depoe Bay. Ocean, huh? Such a good boy.